it's before you see Suraj. Before you see the sunshine is, Prabhat, whatever, Surya Prabhat. But Arundaya is the pink, the Lal Rang, the pink color before. So when you see that pink color, oh, sun's coming. So when Bhav comes, you know, very soon, in moments, in a few days, I will see Krishna and he will give me prem. I will see Radharani. I will see Radharani and she will give me prem. So this is Bhavavasta. Bhavavasta means the stage of Bhav. Bhavavasta and Premavasta. So, live in Braj Mandal, we don't make any aparads. We're Braj Nishta, Brajvas Nishta. All my mothers in Bombay, my sisters in Kuwait, I have to go to the wedding. Nay. If you're a Sobhagya Jeev and been given residence in Vrindavan and you're living here retired or you have money or you're young, however you live here, never leave Vrindavan for any reason. Leaving Vrindavan means leaving Radha and Krishna. Living here.